In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a file from Google Sheets into Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to bring your existing Google Sheets data into Smartsheet quickly and confidently. This is really useful if your team is transitioning to Smartsheet or if you simply want to take advantage of Smartsheet's project management and collaboration features while still using data you've already built out in Google Sheets. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the home or main dashboard view. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the plus icon there. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to create or bring in something new. Go ahead and click that plus icon on the left sidebar. Once you click the plus icon, a menu will appear with several options for creating new sheets, reports, and dashboards. In that same menu, you'll see an option labeled Import. This is the one you need in order to bring your Google Sheets file into Smartsheet. Click on Import. After choosing Import, Smartsheet will open a new window or panel with several import sources. One of these options will be Google Sheets or Google Drive, depending on your interface. Select the Google option to proceed. At this point, if it's your first time connecting Smartsheet to your Google account, you may be asked to sign in and grant permission. This simply allows Smartsheet to read the files from your Google Drive so it can pull in the sheet you want. Next, follow the on-screen prompts. You will be guided through choosing the specific Google Sheets file you want to import. You might see a list of your recent files, or you can search within your Google Drive to find the right one. Click on the file you want, then confirm your selection. Smartsheet will then show you a preview or some settings for the import. Here, you can typically choose which sheet tab to bring in if your Google Sheets file has multiple tabs. Take a moment to confirm that the columns and general layout look correct. When you're ready, continue through the prompts to complete the import. Once the process finishes, your Google Sheet will appear as a new Smartsheet. Review the data to make sure everything came through as expected, and then you can start using all of Smartsheet's features on top of your imported information.